Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a game pass on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to inroblox.com. Now you have to tap on create tab. Now if you are on mobile guys, you have to enable desktop mode to get this website, get this page. This page is only works for the desktop. Now you have to come to experiences and click on your default experience, the default one. Click on it. Now to create a game pass, you have to click on this associated items. Now you have to click on passes. You will see here passes. Just click on it to create your game pass. Now click on this create a game pass button. Here you have to name your game pass like my first game pass or first one, and here you have to enter your description. Now you just need to click on this create a pass button. Once your game pass has been created, now you just need to click on it to configure it. And here in the menu, you will see this option sales. Now click on this item for sale button and now enter the cost, enter the price in Roblox for the game pass. And now you just need to click on the save changes. So once you created guys, just go back, and once you set up and once you made your game pass, now you just need to open any game you want, and in the please donate, and where you have to just list your game pass. So if someone buy your game pass, you will get 70% out of it. So yeah, hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.